In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Ask Canva in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the Ask Canva button, how to open it, and how to use its suggestions to speed up your design work without leaving your project. Start by opening the project you want to work on in Canva. Once your design is in front of you, click to select an element on your canvas. An element can be text, an image, a shape, or any object you've placed in your layout. When it's selected, you'll see a context bar appear near the element or along the top. This is where Canva shows quick, relevant tools. In that bar, look for the Ask Canva button and click it. A panel or field will pop up with a text box where you can type a prompt, much like chatting with an AI assistant. You'll also see handy suggestions right below the box. These are there to help you start quickly without thinking up a prompt from scratch. You can choose options like create a caption, change style, or ask for suggestions of improvements. Create a caption is perfect when you want short, punchy text for the selected element, like a headline, subheading, or a catchy line for an image. If you use it on a text box, Ask Canva will consider what's selected and help you craft something that fits. Change style is useful when your text or overall feel needs a different tone, such as more playful, more professional, or more minimal. It can propose style adjustments that match the element you've highlighted. Ask for suggestions of improvements is great when you want high-level guidance on what could make the selected part of your design stronger. Things like clarity, balance, or emphasis. A helpful tip: the quality of what you get depends on the context you provide. Since Ask Canva looks at the element you selected, make sure you've clicked the item you actually want help with. If you're typing your own prompt, be specific about the result you want, like the tone, length, or audience. For example, you might ask for a short caption in a friendly voice or a concise improvement suggestion for a busy text block. That's really all there is to it. Go to your project, select an element, click the Ask Canva button in the context bar, and either type your request or choose one of the suggestions. Create a caption, change style, or ask for suggestions of improvements. Use what it returns to guide your next move, and you'll work faster and more confidently inside your design.